Hi, is your shower diverter not working? Is it stuck in either the up position or in the down position? Or when you pull it to try to take a shower, are you getting more water out of your spout than you are out of your shower head? Well, if so, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this shower diverter. It'll take you probably less than 5 minutes, and at the most it'll cost you $6 or $7. Let's get started. Okay, so your shower diverter is made up of two parts. This is the rod, and up inside here is the gate. Now you can basically lay on the tub floor or stick your head up under here and look up in here and try to disconnect that gate. But what I like to do is turn the spout so you can see what you're doing. And you've got two types of tub spouts. There's tub spouts that have a set screw under here, and there's other tub spouts that all you do is turn them. And to see what you've got, what you need to do is look under here. If you've got a little slot and a screw, then you need to loosen that set screw with an Allen wrench. Then you can turn this. Or if it's just flat here and there's nothing, then you should just be able to turn this till you can see into here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You just turn this spout, and now you can see what you need to get to in order to fix this shower diverter. Now I will tell you this, if your tub spout's been on for 20, 30, 40 years, you may not be able to turn it, and you do not want to force it because there's normally a copper pipe, there could be a galvanized pipe. Anyway, there's a pipe coming out of the wall, and if you force this thing, if you turn it with a wrench or something and you break or twist the pipe that comes out of the wall, then you've got some major problems. So if you can't turn this with a reasonable amount of force, you're basically going to have to leave it facing down, and you're going to have to essentially lay in the bottom of the tub, or at least get your head up under there so you can see what you're doing in order to get this gate off and fix this shower diverter. So let me show you what you've got to do to take this gate apart and to replace it with either a new gate or a new gasket. Okay, before you start, let me suggest you put a towel over your drain, or at least make sure your drain's closed. You don't want to drop a part down into the drain and either cause a clog or lose a part and have to go buy a new part. Okay, so to take this out, what we need to do is spread these little plastic clips and pull the rod loose. Some people use a screwdriver. I like to use needle nose pliers. So you just need to stick that in there, spread those clips, and this rod will pull right out, and the gate will pull right out. Okay, once you get the shower diverter out of your tub spout, check the gate, make sure everything's still intact, make sure the two little prongs are still there, and take the gasket out. Since your shower diverter's not working, there's going to be some damage on that gasket. Now, I've seen some where you don't even have a gasket left. You can buy a shower diverter repair kit. It'll come with a gate, it'll come with a new gasket, and it'll come with a new rod. These cost typically less than about $10. I always like to use the same rod that came out because it matches the tub spout that I've got. But anyway, you'll put your new gasket in, and then you'll install this into your tub spout, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. And one more thing, these gates come in two different sizes. This one is more rectangular, the other one is almost square. So make sure you get the right size gate to match the one that you took out of your tub spout. And then to reinsert this, you put this gate back into the tub spout. Make sure the gasket side is facing this way. Well, let me show you this. Okay, so you're going to get that in there. You're going to push the rod through, and you're just going to push until they lock in place, just like that. So let me show you. So you slide this in. You've got the rod pushing up against those little prongs. You push that down, it's locked in place, and you're done. You twist the spout back down, and make sure you tighten that set screw if there is one. And it's that simple, that's all there is to it. It'll take you about 5 minutes, and you'll have a working shower again. I really appreciate you watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Have a great day.